Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today, me Nur Shakila binti Mazmin and my group member, which is Nur Azmira and Nur Misha Safia, are going to presenting for Lab 4 Electrical Wiring Installation for Electrical Supply System.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Azmira binti Razani with metric number AE1X0033. We continue the presentation with the house plan layout for my house. So basically, this is the house plan layout. Consists of door, window, ceiling fan, wall fan, LED lamp, fluorescent lamp, one-way switches, and also the socket outlet. So in this house plan, we can see the wiring diagram of my house. So we continue with the single line diagram for electrical supply system. This table is the MCBs when it is turned on, and the location of the socket outlet and load, and also the number of socket outlet load related to the MCB. So there are 9 MCB that consist of 32 ampere, 20 ampere, and 6 ampere. For 6 ampere, it can only use for the lamp and also the fan. So for 32 and also the 20 is for the socket. This is the single line diagram that are from the main switch. So the main switch is 40 ampere. For this MCB, I have added for the spare MCB, which is 20 ampere. So we go for the first one is 32 ampere, which is the location is at the kitchen and the dining area. It consists of 5 sockets. So we can see here 32 ampere, 5 multiply of 13 ampere socket at the kitchen and the dining area. 13 ampere SSO is means for one socket, so we have to multiply with 5. And then we go to the next example for MCB number 4, 6 ampere at the dining area, kitchen, and the toilet that consists of 5 load. So we can see here for the first 6 ampere, we have 2 LED lamps, 1 ceiling fan, and 2 fluorescent lamps, which is of 5 load. So it is at the kitchen, dining area, and toilet 1 and 2.
So we start with 32 ampere MCB, which this MCB is connected to the socket of living hall 2. So when we turn on the socket, the power bank will be charging. So it means that the current is flow through the socket. So next we continue with the second MCB. So the second MCB is 20 ampere MCB, which it will connected to the veranda 2 study area and also the room 4. So we tested in the room 4 socket. So the power bank will be charging when the switch is on. And lastly, we continue with 6 ampere MCB. So the light will be turned off when the MCB is turned off. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shakila binti Mazmin. My metric number is CE1800047. So I will continue this presentation by presenting my house plan for my house. So as we can see, here is the table for the MCB and the number of socket outlet or load that related to the MCB. So as we can see, the MCB for number 1 until number 6 is for the load, and MCB number 7 until number 13 is for the socket outlet. So let's proceed to the house plan. Here is my house plan. So as we can see, we have 2 porch, 1 veranda, 2 living hall, and 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 1 store, 1 family area, and 1 kitchen. So here is the symbol for this house, for the electrical plant, which is, this is the symbol for fluorescence lamp. This is the symbol for the shining lamp, and next the symbol for the ceiling fans, and this is the symbol for the exhaust fan, and here is the symbol for the TMB kilowatt hour meter, and S stand for the switch, and here is the symbol for the socket. So let's proceed to the demonstration for the MCB that related to the outlet and socket outlet and load. Here is the DB box in my house. So this MCB number 1 is for the lamp and fans in the bedroom 2, bathroom 2, and living hall 2. And then for the socket bedroom 2 is, here is the socket for the bedroom 2 and living hall 2. So let's turn off this DB box and this one. So I will show you when we turn on this lamp switch for the bedroom 2 and the fans for the bedroom 2. The lamp and fans will not turn on. So when we turn on the socket plug for bedroom 2, the phone will not charging. So I will show you when we turn off the MCB number 2, which is the lamp and fans for master bedroom 1 and bathroom 1, and then we will turn off the socket for master bedroom 1, which is MCB number 96789. So let's see the result. When we turn on the switch, the lamp and fan switch in the master bedroom 1, the fans and the lamp will not turn on. And then for the socket, if we turn on the socket, the phone will not charging since we close the MCB board for the socket in master bedroom 1.
My name is Mr. Safia binti Muhammad Arif. And my metric number is AE180060. So this is house wiring plan for my house. Okay, so for the first MCB, it connected with the socket in the living room and veranda. Okay, there's 5 socket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 socket. Here's got 1 socket. Okay, for the second MCB, it connected with the master bedroom and the toilet one. Okay, got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, for the third MCB is connected with the bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Got 3 socket, 1, 2, 3. Okay, for the MCB 4 connected with the bedroom 4 and the kitchen, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and for the kitchen 2 is using 1 MCB, the number 5 MCB, which is 1, 2. There's another 2 here, 3, 4. Okay, this is my DB box. So firstly, I will turn off all the MCB, and then I'll turn on 1 MCB, which is for the bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Okay, this is in the bedroom 3. I will turn on the switch for the charger. Okay, so this is like switch for the bedroom 3. it works then. Okay, next I will turn on the living room MCB. Okay, this is it. I'll turn on the charger. Okay, then I'll turn off and I'll turn on the master bedroom MCB. Okay, and it works. Okay, so this is the switch of the toilet in the master bedroom.
Next, we continue for the question. For the first question, we have to discuss the purpose of grounding in electrical wiring installation. The purpose is to protect our appliance, our home, and everyone in it from surge in electricity. If lightning was struck or the power was to surge at our place, this produces dangerously high voltage of electricity in our system. If our electrical system is grounded, all that excess electricity will go into the earth rather than frying everything connected to our system. Next question is name two types of conduit that commonly used in electrical wiring. So the two types are GI and also the PVC. GI is galvanized iron manufactured using mild steel strips of low carbon steel coils, and the tubes are then pressure tested for any leaks randomly. These pipes are cheaper, lightweight, and easy to handle. The second one is PVC or rigid polyvinyl chloride. Is quite like plastic plumber pipe and allowed to corrosive environment. It is installed using plastic fittings that are directly glued in place. The conduit assemblies can also be watertight because the fittings and conduit tubing are glued together. It can be proven that PVC is suitable for a quick barrier on the crowns and for several other applications.
Conclusion. For the conclusion, in this lab, we learn about the wiring regulation, where it is designed to ensure a consistent and safe approach to wiring and electrical work. Then, we know what the skills to determine the type of the power circuit that used in our house, the proper usage of the related tools or cases is used in this lab, where it is according to the desired application. Also, lastly, the skill of drawing the house wiring diagram of the circuit and the knowledge of the electrical symbol and accessories.